Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure make.com to sync claims data between apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure make.com to sync claims data between apps, you first need to log into your make.com account. Once logged in, navigate to the Scenarios dashboard. Click on the Create a New Scenario button to start a fresh automation. From the module selection, search for your primary app where claims data originates. Drag this app into your scenario workspace. Next, select the specific trigger event related to claims data, such as new claim or updated claim. You may need to connect your app account by following the authentication prompts. Once connected, configure the trigger settings by specifying relevant filters or parameters if needed. After setting up the trigger module, add a second module for the target app where you want to send the claims data. Search for the target app and drag it into the workspace. Choose the appropriate action event based on what you want to do with the claims data, like create claim or update claim. Connect your target app account using the required authentication steps. In this step, map the fields from the source app's claims data to the corresponding fields in the target app. Carefully check that all necessary data points are accurately aligned. Once you've finished mapping, click on the Add Another Module button if you need to integrate more applications or processes. You can repeat the steps of selecting apps, triggers, and actions as necessary for your workflow. After completing your scenario setup, it's time to test it. Click on the Run Once button to initiate a test cycle. Monitor the execution logs to see if claims data flows correctly between the apps. If there are any errors, review the configurations and correct them as needed. Once the test runs successfully, return to your scenario dashboard. Enable your scenario by clicking the toggle switch to set it live. Your make.com workflow is now configured to sync claims data between apps automatically. Regularly monitor the sync activity to ensure data is transferring as expected. Make adjustments to your scenario based on any changes in your data requirements or app integrations. With your setup complete, you can enjoy the benefits of automated claims data synchronization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.